survivor. She is a beacon of hope, a devoted single mother to J.O. and Jane Kimberly, and a loving grandmother to her first grandchild, Jane Avril. Nina turned her life's greatest struggles into her greatest strengths. Standing tall through every storm, she proves that a mother's love is the ultimate power. She is our inspiration, our warrior, and our queen. The proud parents, of course, are Mrs. Lorena Tamayo and Mr. Nardo Tamayo. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nina Tamayo, our third runner-up 2026. For the second runner-up, Miss Rubilin Ann Paglinawan Sakido. Rubilin at 34, a passionate teacher who has been shaping young minds for the past 3 years. A devoted mother of two, she beautifully balances her life as a hands-on housewife while still making time to stay fit and healthy. Raised by her loving parents, Merly and Rogin Paglinawan. Rubilin carries the values of dedication and perseverance in everything she does. By her side is her supportive husband, Erickson Sagido, a responsible and dedicated architect who stand as her constant partners in building both Grace and family. Graceful, driven, and inspiring, Rubilin proves that a woman can nurture and still prioritize herself. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up 2026, Miss Rubilin Ann Paglinawan Sakido. For our first runner-up, Miss Alma Garcia. Alma is 26 years old, a proud graduate of PSU and a licensed professional teacher. Yes, beauty and brave, without the city. But don't let the credentials fool you. This woman knows how to have fun. Whether she's on the Zumba floor, working out, dancing, or playing tennis, Alma treats every day like a reason to move, a sweat, and to smile. Her passion for fitness is not just a hobby, it's how she celebrates being alive. At her core, Alma is a loving mother reminds all of us what a woman can. Be a devoted mother and Zumba queen all at the same time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Alma Garcia, first runner-up 2026. Okay, the moment we are waiting for Miss 100 Island Zumba para sa lahat 2026, Maricel Garcia. The Queen. From the silent shores of Sicilian Swell, she is Maricel Marino Garcia. A woman whose strength was forged in the fires of early hardships, leading her to chase her dreams across borders. Tonight, she is a devoted mother to Hillary, a Zumba enthusiast, and a thriving entrepreneur in the livestock industry. Having found her happily ever after, she stands before you as a testament that hard work and love truly build a beautiful life. Her daughter named Hillary Garcia, and also a Zumba lover, and her husband, Henry Garcia, a seafarer, and her parents are Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo Marino Jr. Once again, she's Maricel Garcia, a woman of grit and grace. Thank you, lady beauties. For every awardee, let's get him away and cheer. Can you take your line seat? Okay, for the special awards, for our fourth runner-up 2026, Miss Chinchin Rose Katabay, may call on the family members of the Lady Beauty for recess, bouquet and certificate, trophy and token.
Saglit lang. Walang ay, yung mukha ni ano, at show na yung nakita ko to. Ang laki. Nakabawi ka. Sakto na lang pagtingin ko.
May also call on our 100 Island Zumba officers, Elma Nalin, Marilyn Aguilon, sas muna na. Okay. Okay, for the SAS, may call ng family members of the Leading Beauty for Miss Chinchin Rose Katabay.
Ayoko tuwan siya, baka mamaya makita. Guys. Ganito kalaki mo. Ganito kalaki mo. Magsama nga talaga kayong dalawa. Kunin mo nga ito.
Magkaugali.
Ay, kasi sunod na naman ang laki sa akin. Yung anak to.
To award the pupil certificate, Ma'am Manganin, Ma'am Manganin Aguilar, and Ma'am Chona Liorito will do the honor. To award the trophy to Heather Cora, Ma'am Daisy Capitre, Ma'am Merlita Ninabiga, and Ma'am Pam John Gregorio.
Antay ko lang tawagin ako kasi hindi ko ma...
Okay, proud to the honor for the third runner-up 2026.
Eh, maras ka.
For our third runner-up 2026, none other than Miss Alina Tamayo. To award the sash, let's call on the family members of the winning team.
Parang sasamahan lang kita.
For the booking certificate, may we call on Miss Wilma Season.
Sige na, makinig tayo. Mamaya lang.
And Miss Susan Graganato. Yolanda. Also to award the trophy and token, may we call on Miss Bella Nabila, Mercy Rabanera, and Miss Yolanda Bacan.
Ako sumama ka. Mama ka na.
Again, for the booking certificate, may we call on Miss Susan Graganta and Miss Wilma Season. Again, to award the trophy and token, may we call on Miss Bella Nabila, Mercy Babanera, and Miss Yolanda Bacan. So again, congratulations to our third runner-up, 2026, Miss Lina Tamayo.
Malalayan ko sa akin.
Nakikita naman kasi wala na. Inubos masyado. Hindi mo na makikita. Wala na ganyan.
Okay, for the second runner-up 2026, none other than Miss Rosalyn Ann Sabido. To award the sash, may we call the family members of the reigning queen.
everyone while we confirm the announcement for the trophy, sash, and bouquet for our main queens.
May video ka.
Bakit dati ni? May video.
Okay, then to round it up, our second runner-up 2026 is none other than Miss Robin on Sakido. Toward the sash, may we call the family members of our reigning queen. And toward the bouquet and certificate, Miss Emma Ranches and Miss Griselda Viray. Yes, napaka-sexy ng mga awardees. Thank you so much. And to award the trophy and certificate for our second runner-up, may we call Miss Carmen Admiento, Miss Lorna Naka, and Miss Nico Peza.
Sabi ko, di ba
Again, to award our trophy and certificate, Miss Carmen Admiento, Miss Lorna Naka, and Miss Nico Peza. So our second runner-up is Robin on Sakido. Music Master. Again, slowly and surely. Photo ops po. Thank you and congratulations again to our second runner-up, Miss Robin Ann Sakido.
Dapat nakalagay na tayo.
For our first runner-up 2026 is none other than Miss Alma Garcia. Toward the sash, may we call her family members. Toward with bouquet certificate, Miss Maria Elena Garcia, Elvira Otero, and Miss Minerva Garra. Also toward the trophy and certificate to our first runner-up, may we call Ma'am Osh Vargas and Miss Zinaida Alvis and Miss Carol Winnie. Photo ops for the session. Again, congratulations to Miss Alma Garcia, our first runner-up 2026. May we have a round of applause for our first runner-up, please. Thank you. 2026. And now,
Kasama pala tayo. Kayo yung ano. Isa pa. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
and now, our Miss 100 Islands Zumba para sa lahat 2026. None other than Miss Maricel Garcia. Toward the sash, we be calling the family members of our reigning queen. For the bouquet and certificate, may we call on Miss Mira Pontedera and Miss Lourdelisa Domingo. Ayan na magkasaman sa ating Miss Zumba 100 Islands 2026 everyone.
Dapat ganun.
Okay, full time. Again, we will call for the dedication certificate, Mira Pontedera and Miss Lourdelisa Domingo. Guys, katapakan naman po natin ang ating reigning queen. Thank you. Photo ops. Everyone. For the trophy and token, may we call on Miss Bless De Ocampo, Miss Lilibeth Pardillo, and Miss Maribeth Inakay. The very good. Again, congratulations to our 100 Islands Zumba para sa lahat 2026, Miss Maricel Garcia. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves to our Miss 100 Islands Zumba 2025 Farewell Walk, may we call her Miss Tess Iris. Yes po, ikot po tayo. Ayan, very stunning ng gown. Yes, a round of applause naman everyone.
mental health, reduce stress, and foster a strong, supportive community. At our family, 100 Island Simba Parsalaha community. Simba is my passion, it nourishes my body and my soul. It is a workout where I get to earn while I burn hundreds of calories. So, limit my control and the most important, make friends and have fun. I am very much thankful of the organizing of this group, a group that to unite not only organizing Zumba, but also joining a fruitful and meaningful activities. Thank you, Dr. Roberto Nakay, our president of 100 Zumba Parsalahat, and his wife, Dr. Maribeth Inakay, and all the 100 Island Zumba Parsalahat officers. Thank you all to the Zumba family that love to dance and have fun with us. And my best regard. Thank you all.
Again, thank you to our Miss 100 Islands 2025, Miss Tess Iris. Your reign is really remarkable to our Zumba here in Alaminos. At this moment, let's call in At this moment, may we call in Honorable Board Member Apollonia de Guzman Bacay, represented by Sir Joseph Bacay, Ms. Tess Iris, and Dr. Noberto G. Inakay for the crowning of our Miss 100 Islands Zumba 2026. Music Maestro. Ayan, ito na po yung momentous moment ng pag-crown sa ating newly crowned Miss 100 Islands 2026. The crown and scepter